Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a very simple way of doing neon eyes, which is not only beginner friendly but will also be done in a few minutes. Without any further ado, let's start with the video. I'm using this gel based primer from Lakme Absolute. I have open pores around my nose area and on my cheeks, so I'm applying the primer there. Next, I move on to contouring my face. I'm using this contour stick from K Beauty. I'm going to do this underpainting method wherein I put contour first and then do my concealer and foundation. Doing this is, I feel that this gives me a nice seamless and natural looking base. With the contour brush, I'm going to blend in all the contour nicely so that it looks quite natural and there is no harsh line. Next, we move to the concealer. I'm using this from Too Faced Bond This Way. The concealer is a little darker to my shade, but it does the job of concealing my acne scars, my spots very beautifully. Sometimes I don't even use foundation. I just use this and a compact powder and I'm good to go. I'm going to blend this concealer, or I would say like dab, and just push the product into my skin nicely so that it looks natural. The foundation I'm using is from Smashbox, and with that I'm going to use an illuminating cream from Marc Jacobs. I'm going to mix the two and use my fingers to apply it all over my face. For foundation, I prefer to use my fingers then, because I feel it, I understand like wherein I need more or where I need to adjust, so that way I'm more in control. So I just feel like it helps me using my fingers. You can see how nicely my foundation is blending, and this illuminating cream adds a nice glowy texture to my face. The Smashbox foundation is a holy grail product for me. Next is another favorite compact of mine, which is the MAC Studio Fix. I use it all the time to set my face. This is the only product I have been using. Next, we move to the brows. I'm going to just fill in and shape the brows with the Benefit brow pencil. For eyeshadow, we are using the nude palette from Huda Beauty. For the base, I'm using the lightest shade first and I'm covering it on my eyelids. Next, I'm building it up with a neon yellow color till the half portion of my eyelids from the inner corner. For the outer corner of the eyelids, I'm going to use a neon pink color and I'm going to build that color into the crease line. Next, using a neon green shade, and I'm going to make the inner corner of the eyes more prominent, because I feel the neon yellow color can fade a little. So here it's looking more natural and more like, you know, like a bright neon color. For my brow bone, I'm going to use this shimmery shade from the palette itself, and then I'm going to just quickly blend it all in with the other colors. Now, the most dreaded part of my makeup tutorial is this winged eyeliner part. I started doing this wing on camera, but I soon realized that it would be better if I just put my entire concentration on it and I do it off camera. So that is what I do. I go and do it in my bathroom because I feel there I do my best winged liners. So here's what the liner is looking, and as you can see, it's pretty much come out well. For the lower lash line, I'm going to use the same neon pink color and I'm going to put it. Here I'm putting the mascara, it's from L'Oreal. For lipstick, I'm using this shade Nude from Maybelline. To tone down the lipstick shade, I'm going to be using a tissue paper and removing excess product. I double up the lipstick with another nude shade from Clarins. It's a beautiful nude shade which helps me give that nice nude color. Using this blush from K Beauty, as you can see, it's a rustic peach color. So my neon look is almost complete, and yeah, so I just combed my hair and this is the final look. So if you like this look, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. For more such videos, please comment, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.